Hello students, this is Sumit and I'm back with another video, and today we are going to discuss integers from ML Agarwal Mastering Mathematics class 6, and the exercise will be 3.1. So before we start the exercise, I would like to tell you a few things about integers. Now what are integers? There are many classification of numbers. Some of them are like natural numbers. It can be a whole numbers. This is another classification. Similarly, we have integers as another set of numbers. Now, natural numbers begins from 1, whole numbers begins from 0, and all natural numbers are included in it. But integers are all whole numbers including 0 with both positive and negative sign. So I can say 0 is the middlemost integer, minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 2, and it keeps going on both sides of this. So therefore we can represent integers in a very good way on a line, which we generally read it out as a number line. Towards the positive direction, that is the right side of the number line, negative is towards the left side of the number line, and the middlemost is 0. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and goes on. So any number which is on the right will be always greater than any number which is on the left. So we conclude that all positive numbers are greater than 0 and all negative numbers are less than 0. In the same way, we can say all negative numbers are less than all or each of the positive numbers, right? So let us come to the exercise. Write the opposite of the following. Loss of rupees 5,000. So what is the opposite of loss? Profit. So it's profit of rupees 5,000. Next question is 30 kilometers east of Delhi. So east, the opposite will be 30 kilometer west of Delhi. The next question is 200 meter above sea level. So this will be 200 meter below sea level. The next question is 325 BC. So the answer will be 325 AD, before Christ and Domini. Spending rupees 2700. So it's like earning rupees 2700. 25 degree above freezing point, 25 degree below freezing point. That's quite easy. We have to use some English words here, but this is related to integers because every positive number is just opposite of every negative number, right? Now question number 2 is put the appropriate sign, plus or minus. So gain more, so plus 3 kg. Earning also is more, 3 kg. Sorry, this is plus rupees 1340, that is 1340. 20 degrees Celsius below freezing point, so it's minus 20 degrees Celsius. Loss, so minus rupees 470. Depositing, so that helps in increasing, so plus rupees 2500. 240 meter below sea level, so minus 240 meter. Flying at a height of 9320 meters, so plus 9320 meter. 6 meter down in the basement, so minus 6 meter, right? The next question is in each of the following pairs, that is question number 3, which number is to the right of the other number on the number line. So I've already drawn a number line before we start this exercise. So 3 and 5, so you can easily see 5 is towards the right, so the answer for first question is 5, and every number towards the right is greater than every number towards the left. So 0 and minus 2, so 0 is towards the right, minus 3 and minus 5, you can see minus 3 minus 5, so minus 3 is towards the right, so I can easily say minus 3 is also greater than minus 5. Then 2 and minus 7, so every positive number is greater and hence towards the right side. Question number 4 is in each of the following numbers which is on the left, which means you also have to find out which number is the smallest among these two. So every negative number is smaller than 0 or every positive number, so minus 3 is the answer among minus 3 and 0. 2 and minus 5, so the answer will be minus 5. Minus 4 and minus 7, so you can see here minus 7 is towards the left and also smaller, so minus 7. Minus 10 and minus 16, so minus 16 will be the answer. if the numbers are negative, bigger the value of the number, value as in the magnitude of the number, smaller is the number, because we need to travel more towards the left from 0 while we are going to the number line. Next question is draw a number line and answer the following questions. I have already solved this before we have started. Which integers lie between -2 and -9? So -2 and minus 9 and -2. So -8, -7, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3. Between, so -2 and -9 are not included. Now which among them are largest? So -3 is the largest among these two. Which of them are smallest? So -8. So any number towards the left is smaller than any number towards the right. Now the next question is write 4 consecutive integers just greater than -9. So what comes after -9? Greater. That is towards the right. So what comes after -9? -8, -7, -6, -5. Write 4 consecutive numbers just before -2 means smaller. So -3 is smaller than -2, then -4, -5, -6. Now the next question is draw a number line. So I have already done a little bit of calculation. Which of the following numbers do we reach if we move 6 units towards the right of -1? So this is -1, 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we reach 5. So we reach 5. Then after moving 7 units towards the left of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is -5. Then 3 from -3, if we are moving, so how many do we have to move? We have to move towards the right because we're starting from -3. So it's the right direction. Next is to reach -8 from -3. So -8 from -3. So -3 is the beginning. So we are moving towards the left direction, which means we are moving towards the smaller number. The next question is using the number line, we write the integer which is 5 more than -1. So 5 more than -1 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 4. The answer to this is 4. 5 less than -1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is -6. Okay. Then the next question is evaluate. Now I'll explain you what this actually means. This is also called absolute value. 13 minus 5. We will first do the calculations. 13 minus 5 is 8 and the absolute value of 8 is only 8. I'll come to the next question. You will realize the difference. 13, no, it's 5 minus 13. So what is 5 minus 13? 5 minus 13 is -8. Because how do we subtract? We subtract 13 and 8. We get 8. 13 and 5 to get 8, and the bigger sign is minus, so minus sign is placed here. Now absolute value means ignore the sign and just write the number. So 8 is the answer. Third is absolute value of -11 plus absolute value of 9. So there are two different absolute values. So answer is 11 and 9. So 11 plus 9 is 20. Then fourth is absolute value of -8 plus absolute value of -6. So that's 8 and 6, which gives you 14. Then absolute value of 7 minus absolute value of -3. That is 7 minus absolute value of -3 is 3. So that's 4. Then we have absolute value of 9 minus 19 minus absolute value of -13. So that's 19 minus 13 and the answer is 6. Right? Now the next question is use appropriate symbol to fill up the blank. So that's greater than or less than symbol. -3 is always smaller than 7. So because it's a negative number. 0 is always greater than a negative number. So 0 is greater. -10 and -11. -11 lies towards the left. So -10 is greater than -11. -6 lies towards the left. So -6 is less. -5 and -13. -5 lies towards the right of -13. So greater than symbol. Then -30 is also towards the left or smaller than -19. Right. Now the next question is to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is small to big. So smallest among this is -9, then -5, then we have 0, 2, 3. And for the next question, ascending order will be smallest is -33, then -31, then minus 28. Then we have any other negative number, 1, 2, 3. We have minus 4 and minus 2 also. So minus 4, minus 2, then we have 9 and 35. I think I've written all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now arrange the numbers in the descending order, that is big to small. So biggest among this is 43, the highest positive number. Then we have 25. Then no other positive numbers, so 0. 1, 2, 3 included. Then minus 5, minus 31, minus 37. For the next question, the descending order, that's the biggest, will be 95. Then 36. Any other positive number I don't find. So the next number will be minus 3, minus 8, minus 84, and minus 101. Now state true or false. 0 is the smallest positive integer. No, 0 is neither a positive nor a negative integer. So there is no question of positive or negative. So this is a false statement. Every negative integer is less than every natural number. We know every natural number is always positive. So every negative integer is always less than every positive number, and hence also less than every natural number. So this is a true statement. Minus 7 is to the right of minus 6 on the number line. No. Minus 7 is on the left of minus 6. So this is false. The absolute value of an integer is always greater than the integer. Not always true, because suppose absolute value of 8 is 8. So it is not greater than 8. 8 is not greater than 8. 8 is equal to 8. So this is not true. This is false. If it is, the question is absolute value of a negative integer is always greater than absolute value of the number or the integer, then I would say it's a true statement. So I think with this we have ended up the exercise 3.1 from this book, ML Agarwal Mastering Mathematics Class 6. If you have any doubts, please share your doubts in the comment section. I will be back with another video. Till then, study, and please like, subscribe and share this video so that it can help others too. Thank you.